Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. Today's video is very busy day kasi maglipat bahay tayo. Punta kami sa my storage, kunin namin yung mga gamit namin at lipat namin sa bahay na titirahan namin. So tara, let's go! So guys, removalist. So we're here in the storage area guys, kung saan nakastack yung mga gamit, ibang gamit namin. So magantay lang ko dito kung pumasok yung asawa ko at saka yung removalist na magkuha ng mga gamit namin na dalhin sa bahay na lilipatan namin. So yan, what a busy day today, but thanks God, nakalipat na kami. This is it, Pansit. The long wait is over, so thank you Lord. And to stop over for coffee guys, coffee first.
All three will appear in children's court.
It's ready for the day.
After decades of planning, Winter County Council's internal event.
Oh, there's so traffic.
Even King Warren, it's bigger than what it used to be.
Yes, you have, McKay. Yes, you have.
Hello. Ready. Guys, nandito na kami. So, dumating na yung mga staff namin. Yan. Nagsidatingan na. So, tapos na yung removalist, guys. So, they're going home na. Sa yan. And there's another. Ay. So, tapos na. Let's go. There's another removalist, guys. Oh my God. Ang dami-dami. Walang katapusan to. Morning, guys. Second day of loading tayo, no? So, arat na. Ang dami pa. Sakit na sa ulo. Very stressed na tayo. Look at the... They're nag-shifting, guys. Gutom kaayo. Kaya nag-KFC tayo. KFC pero walang laman. Wala namang laman. Ubus na pala. Wala pala yung pagkain natin. So, kain na. With the sauce. Tum kayo.
You can ask him, but I'd be surprised if he were willing to even share an opinion.
Sumakain tayo, guys. Pero teka, gutom. Kumayan tayo. Wag manok. Parang Jollibee. Ano kantay ng Russia? What? You hungry? Uy? Before I gonna end my video, guys, I just wanna say thank you to my beautiful friend, my extended family here in Australia for always helping us, for always being there for me when I need you. I appreciate your kindness and goodness. Thank you very much to my beautiful sister from another mother, Annie and Kathy. for everything. Maraming salamat talaga for I appreciate your kindness, generosity, selfless. And wala akong masasabi. You're really a good person and very kind, true friend. And my family here in Australia, thank you very much. We love you both. And thank you also to Alan and Cheryl for helping us. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. Today's video, mag-unboxing tayo ng my song karaoke mic. So, meron akong pang karaoke. So, buksan natin ito. Sana gumanda yung boses ko kasi practice makes perfect. So there's guys, thank you my friend Katay for ordering this microphone.
Teka lang guys, buksan na natin.
Oh, very flashy. My kissing pa siya. There you go. There you are. Hello. So, my speaker na siya at the same time. Siya, guys. That's power on. Treble bass, volume, music, echo, and nice casing. Wow. So, there it is, guys. So, yan. The microphone and then yung lyrics natin. So, very simple. Thank you, Kati. We will try na guys yung karaoke natin with our iPad lang. Tonight again, we're in all their faces and talk about the places they've been to. Told sweethearts who felt apart. Another song. No. It might be you. You can sing with me, darling, okay? Time, I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sun, watching sailors fly.
Good girl. Hello.
I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard you try. You deserve to have so much more. I can feel your heart and sympathize, and I'll never criticize all you've ever meant to my life. I don't want to let you down, I don't want to lead you on, I don't want to hold you back from where you might belong. It's a winter jacket. You like it? Hey? You like your kappa? Hey? What's wrong? Hey? That's your jacket there for winter because it's getting cold. Okay?
I'm not helping you.
Okay?
I feel bad.
Are you cranky? Uy. Trying to get it off. Uy.
Okay. Darling, if you don't like it. Daddy?
Roxy doesn't like it. You wanna take it off? Poor Baba. Why? I'm not talking to you. Get it off, please.
What am I doing?